Have you ever been stuck wondering how to download and install Assassin's Creed Shadows on Steam? Well, no more guesswork. By the end of this video, you will have the Assassin's Creed Shadow installed and ready to play. Oh, and if Hindi is your preferred language, I got a tutorial for you too. Check the description box below for that Hindi tutorial. Now let's begin. Whether you are setting up Steam for the very first time or trying to install Assassin's Creed Shadows without any hassle, I will walk you through it step by step. This video is part of my How to Assassin's Creed Shadows playlist, where you will find lots of tutorials to fix Assassin's Creed Shadows problems. Don't forget to check it out after this video. If you do not have Steam installed, then open your browser, search for Steam. Please make sure to open Steam official website only. Click on install. Once your Steam installer file download complete, double click on Steam installer file. Follow the Steam setup instruction to set it up. It is very simple. Click on next. Select your preferred language. Select the location where you want to install Steam. Click on install. Once Steam is installed, then log in with your Steam account, or if you don't have a Steam account, then create a new one. That's it. Click on library. Search for Assassin's Creed Shadows. If you have already purchased Assassin's Creed Shadows, it will show up in your Steam library. If you are not sure which edition to purchase, standard or deluxe, then I am happy to say I have already talked about this on my How to Pre-order Assassin's Creed Shadows on Steam video. Check that out from my playlist. Once you have found the game in your Steam library, click on install. Next, choose in which drive you want to install Assassin's Creed Shadows on your computer. For the best experience, it is strongly recommended to install the game on an SSD. If you choose to install Assassin's Creed Shadows on hard disk drive HDD, you might see in-game notification about this. Please note that the total download file size is around 90.1 GB and the total disk space required to install the game is 109, which is 109 GB. Please keep in mind that this number could change over time as updates and patches are released. After selecting the installation location, click on install to start the download. Just sit back and wait until all the Assassin's Creed Shadows files download are complete. Whether you have standard or deluxe edition, the installation process is exactly the same. While your Assassin's Creed Shadows is downloading and installing, let me share something exciting. I have uploaded lots of Assassin's Creed Shadows RTX 4080 Ultra settings gameplay video with commentary on my other channel. If you are curious about how stunning the game looks with high-end graphics, then check out those gameplay playlists. Link is in the description box as well. This playlist is must watch for all the Assassin's Creed fans. Alright, now let's check if our download is complete or not. Oh wow, it is ready to play. Click on play button to start Assassin's Creed Shadows. Now you are ready to start an epic adventure in Assassin's Creed Shadows. Enjoy the game and unleash your inner assassin. If you have any questions about this game or want save files, let me know in the comment box. I will try to answer you, and if there are lots of questions, I might make a new video to help you all out. So feel free to ask. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this guide. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. As well as most importantly, turn on the bell notification. Also, here's the reminder to check out my other playlist, How to Assassin's Creed Shadows, as well as my playlist of Assassin's Creed Shadows RTX 4080 Ultra settings gameplay videos. All the playlist links are in the description box. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will talk to you next video. Bye!